G'day folks, and whether you meant to or not, you found yourself back at, I wonder where that goes, the workshop edition. This time, fitting a new Delkevic exhaust on the SV. So, we're going to put a new exhaust on this SV, and to do that we need to cut off the old one. And I've asked about 20 times, and apparently we do need to cut off the old one, so yeah, fun times. This is how it sounds as stock. There were no instructions and no easy way to work out how much you had to cut off of the exhaust. And so I used engineering judgment and cut it off at 5 centimeters from the weld, which meant that it would fit nicely into the connecting pipe. However, this was not right. We did manage to get it to fit, as you will see. There's a lot of mucking about, but 7 or 8 centimeters would have been better, would have allowed it to fit easier. Ja, komt ie.
Yes.
Da 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 da. Oh, it's fairly clean.
Ready for driving.
Krijg je laks? Okay. Install. Yeah, it's gonna get fingerprints on it.
You wouldn't want to scratch it on the stone.
No, exactly. And all the way. Now let's have a look and see what our clearance is like. That's a bit tight. That's a bit tight. Let's see if we can change that a bit by doing that. No, does that bring it in closer? Does that bring it out a bit? So if I do that, apart draai. Granny is close. Would you like to start up your bike? Oh, it's really close, but anyway, we'll still see.
Oh, wow.
Lighter, louder, better sounding, better looking. And on this bike at least, mid-range pickup was greatly improved. What a winner. Go and subscribe, you bastard.